welcome to HilkoCuisine. I'm not showing my face today because I'm having a bad hair day, but last episode I promised you to show you an alternative way to bake a loaf if you don't have a Dutch oven. And also I promised to show you the crumb. So here we go, people. We are starting off with opening the oven and putting in a tray with lava rocks. The lava rocks are our friends. They will help distribute the steam. Now we're putting in the grate, and on top of that grate we need a pizza stone. I like to have a thick pizza stone like this one. Now preheat the oven full blast, 250 degrees Celsius, and that for 1 hour. Take the loaf out of the fridge, take a sheet of parchment paper, turn it around on the pizza peel. If you're not a great fan of too much flour on your loaf, you can always brush it off with a brush, like I do here. Take a very sharp knife, I'm using a scalpel, and score the bread. Scoring the bread will help during the oven spring to guide the bread upwards. If you don't score, it will crack all over random and you get a very rustic look. It's also nice and it's less work, more time for drinking fine wine. But anyhow, I'm scoring a different way, like this across, and then for other things. I'm being creative here, I'm an artist. Great. The oven has been preheating for an hour now, and time to whack in that bread. So on the pizza peel, on the stone, then slide out those very hot lava stones, people, and add some boiling water. Note that I'm using a towel to protect the oven door. Bake for 20 minutes. After 20 minutes, take the lava stones out and bake for another 25 minutes. And people, this is the result. Take the bread out of the oven and place it on a cooling rack. Note that I'm trying to do something fancy here. The third time lucky. Yes. Never cut into a freshly baked loaf. Let it rest for at least an hour. After an hour, cut it open. Admire your work. Tell yourself you did great. Tell your friends, post a picture on Instagram, on Facebook, and use the hashtag #GuitarMakersFood, people. Here is the other loaf I baked the other time in the Dutch oven. With this loaf, I did a better job folding it, putting more tension in the bread, so I had a better rise. It's less flat, the oven spring was better. Anyhow, this is the bread. You can eat this with whatever you want, people, as long if you are enjoying it. Next time, I don't know what I'm gonna do, but I hope to see you in a week's time. Bye for now.